And then when it's close, you just come, film. Just film
Like,
it. It's on. It's filming right now. So.
Okay, like when you fall down, then I will close.
Yeah. And when it's falling down, just come like right close to here.
Okay.
Yeah. You should have your hard hat too.
Okay.
Thank you. Good job.
You make
Say hi.
your chainsaw go my way, otherwise I will.
What's that?
You move chainsaw to my way.
Oh, I know.
That's why
Yeah, well,
I will come close.
I know. Okay, well, next time stand like away.
Oh yeah.
You can stand here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Auto exposure. Where did you? I've never seen that. Okay.
I don't know.
Well,
I
anyway.
never use this thing,
Yeah,
so that's why I don't know.
that's fine. Oh, and there's a drone too. Okay. Cool. That's that, and then we're gonna do this one too, but it's leaning away. And there goes the drone. Okay, so here's kind of what went down on this one here. It kind of turned, so I'm kind of disappointed about that, but see, the cut was, yeah, it could have been better, but you see the problem is this. I usually do side cuts on the side that I least want to hang on. So that is, yeah, in hindsight, you know, it kind of got close to the excavator, but in hindsight, I would have definitely done it to this side because I very unlikely would have lost it to the left, but if I lost it to the right and it was like taller, then yeah, it wouldn't have been a good idea, wouldn't have been a good outcome. So that's kind of what the situation is. I had a really wide undercut though. You can kind of see the angle on this one as opposed to the other one. This one's pretty deep, and so that was good. If it was shallow, oh, maybe could have lost it even more, but yeah, definitely a good idea to because this doesn't have the weight. So anyways, that's kind of the problem there. And if it was really really a narrow margin for error, I would have taken a few more measures, but it was really going over it, but I had really way too much wood. That's the other thing. I remember my old boss used to like get upset at me because I had way too much wood always, but and then this time again. Yes, falling spars is sometimes can be tricky. It looks easy because like they're usually shorter, usually less risks involved. Wind is not a factor, but yeah, that's they can, because the wood is so strong and there's no crown weight on them, they can really do funny things that you don't expect. So yeah, that is something to think about there. No way. This is crazy. Look at, see, this side hung on all the way to the roots. I had way too much wood. That is way too much. But it was leaning back, so that's kind of, and it was, yeah, you know what, in hindsight now, it was mainly lifting. I felt it was going over, so that was my mistake. Anyways, yeah, back leaning spars can really mess you up. Well, they mess me up. So that's kind of something I'm working on. Always learning something every day, right? Okay. Sorry it's noisy right now, but hope you can hear properly. Just a little thing I was gonna put out to whoever's watching. If you know any tips or something, sometimes this happens, but not usually. But in this situation, it's pretty wide, and I have a 28-inch bar, and I came around on one side, and this is really bad stuff. This is not normally how things go for me, but sometimes this does happen, and I end up cutting from this side and then that side, and then the cut meets, but it's kind of like wavy, and you know, the kind of thing that happens when your bar is worn out. And I was just wondering if anyone has any tips, or this happens to somebody and they kind of figured out a way to kind of stop that from happening. Yeah, I'd really welcome any sort of constructive feedback, whatever, any sort of feedback would be great, like tips, that would be awesome. I know, like, maybe the bar is getting worn, or I don't honestly, I really don't know. Like, I've been using it for almost a year. No, like 3/4 of a year. So yeah, I don't know. I can't really put my finger on it. Maybe it wasn't like tip-top shape. Well, it was cutting pretty well. It was sharp, and rakers were right. It was moving wood real fast, and yeah, I don't know. Trying it now too, it feels like it doesn't set right into the cut really good. Like there is some sort of like a wiggle when it's like going through the curve, or like making the curve. So yeah, honestly, I really don't know what happened here. Maybe it's just like yeah, it could have been just negligence on my part, like pushing the bar, like kind of in a irregular way. Like I said, it doesn't usually happen, and sometimes it does. So and usually on big stuff, and you know, big stuff, you don't want it to go the wrong way. So I don't know, any tips, I'd really welcome it. I mean I'd really appreciate it. So yeah, thanks. But again, thanks a lot for watching. Yeah, just want to share kind of how things go, and even pick up a few tips from anybody who would like to share in the comments. Yeah, really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope to see you guys next time. Thanks, bye.